Hello guys, Snowcastle Cats here. It's the 25th of September 2021. We're upstairs in Toby's room having a game with the kittens. Toby's actually in the garden with Vanity. So we took the opportunity to give these guys a new environment for some fun. So how great is this, guys? Toby's got his own bedroom in our house. And these guys have come to enjoy. They've come to visit Daddy's bedroom, Daddy's apartment. So here we have Roxy here and her kittens. We're very happy with this lovely litter of bi-colour and harlequin kittens, and they're always ready for a game, aren't they? Eh? Always ready for fun and games, these guys. Hey, so I hope everyone's keeping well, having a good time, and had a lot of comments recently. Hey, that's a bit too rough. What's going on? I've had a lot of comments recently, which I enjoy getting back to. It takes me a few days though, because I'm working 12-hour shifts and I've got a new baby. So I don't reply to your comments every day. I usually leave them build up for a couple of days and then I sit down and work through them all. It's always nice to hear what you guys think about the channel and the cats. Because that's what I do it, is for you guys to enjoy. I enjoy doing it as well. Hey, this is so much fun. Before I go to work, my night shift, having a game with these guys. So I do a variety of types of videos. Some of them are little vlogs like this. This is one of my classic vlogs. I'll just chat to you guys and show you the cats. And other videos will be without any narration for those of you that are bored of my voice. And then there'll be some videos with just music. But every video features British Shorthair Cats. Oh, this is exercise, isn't it? What a great cat tree, eh? What a great tree. As you can see, the kittens have got very, very strong. If you look at the playlist of these kittens, you can see them from when they were first born. And it's amazing to see. Look just how much they've grown, how strong they are. They're almost ready to go to their new homes now. Whoa. This blue one here is called May. Obviously from a different litter. Not that you could tell. Oh. She's got the same dad though. I've actually got my coffee in the corner. I'll have to be careful that they don't leap into it. Okay guys, well, I hope you're all keeping well, and thanks for joining us today for what has turned out to be a bit of a crazy game. And we're Snowcastle Cats, and you're welcome to subscribe to our channel to see the cats every day. So we'll say cheerio, and we'll see you in the next video. Catch you later guys. Bye.